Good morning. Today's a big day for us. We're at the very first state park, Cut State Park in Illinois. And hopefully I don't get lost. This place is pretty big, so I can see myself coming back here a couple times. All right, see what else we can see. Nice and steep, just how I like it. A break in these hiking boots somehow. Maybe there'll be a bit of comedy in this episode if I fall. Back to the creek. Looks a lot bigger from this way. I don't think this way is very well traveled, so that's perfect for us. Enjoy all the peace. Looks good up here. Oh man, this is just beautiful. Just who I am, sweaty man. I really don't want to be anywhere else right now. This is just amazing how something so simple as a creek can just light up my world. So relaxing, so peaceful, and we're just getting started. This is really the path less traveled, but that's what we want. Don't touch that. Might be at the end of this. Well, I really don't want to get lost out here. Turn around up here. That kind of looks like a path. It just came from there. That's where we initially started from. See what's out there. Why not? Why not? I got ran into about 50 spider webs already at this point. Pants are already completely filled with them. Back in the woods we go. I really don't think I've been this way. I haven't heard the creek in a while. What are the chances this is the first way that I went? This looks familiar. Never know what kind of wildlife you'll see in nature. That's the fun of it. This is just the beginning, guys. I cannot wait to see where we ultimately make it to. Oh, this is so nice out here. That's where I started. Let's see what's down this way a bit. My name is Jake Fox. This is Walk, Talk, Bike, and Hike, and I will see you in the next adventure.